everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tour of Aarhus city in Denmark. I visited Denmark in August 2023 during my summer holidays, and for me vacation is a time to relax and enjoy with my family, and so I don't record all the time because I don't feel like doing so. However, in this video I have tried to give a quick tour of Aarhus city and the Aarhus street food. So Aarhus is the second largest city in Denmark, and the entire city is very clean and well organized. Aarhus is also known as the city of smiles due to its vibrant atmosphere, and the Aarhus University is one of Denmark's oldest and most reputed universities. At first, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Aarhus Street Food. Aarhus Street Food is a permanent street food market in Aarhus which gives the locals and the tourists the opportunity to enjoy all various kinds of street food from different parts of the world. And it was my first time trying street food in Europe, and I absolutely loved it. Once you are going to enter this place, you will see a lot of bikes, as cycling is quite popular in Denmark and it is a common mode of transport, and they also have designated parking areas for them. If you are planning a trip to Denmark, do visit Aarhus and do visit this place. You cannot miss this place. I highly recommend this place, and you are going to love this place. And if you like this video, don't forget to share this video as much as possible and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this video.